Here's why you should turn off your iPhone for 5 minutes. Well, it's not because you would reduce your screen time to 23 hours and 55 minutes, but because turning off your device for 5 minutes at least once a week can prevent a lot of issues such as spyware or system-related issues running in the background. So the number one reason why you should consider turning off your iPhone at least every week is because Australian Prime Minister and US National Security Agency, known as NSA, recommends that you should turn off your device. Although they differ on how frequently you should turn off, they recommend this habit in order to prevent your iPhone from spyware/viruses. Australian Prime Minister says that you should turn off your iPhone for 5 minutes every night, which I think is a little bit extreme, whereas US National Security Agency, NSA, says that once a week is sufficient. They both agree on by closing all background processes, it can offer at least some degree of privacy protection against spyware. The second reason why you should consider turning off your iPhone at least 5 minutes a week is by turning off, you would actually prevent some system errors, because you know how when something goes wrong with your iPhone, it's frozen or blacked out. First advice that everyone gives is hard reset/reboot your device. The reason being is when you reboot your device, it literally resets everything to square one and eliminates any issues in the process, which results in solving 99% of the issues on your iPhone. And for those of you who are unsure how to hard reboot your device, it's pretty easy. You're just gonna click on volume up and then volume down button, and then click and hold until your phone is completely turned off and the Apple logo pops up. If you want to leave it for 5 minutes, you can just let it do its thing. You can just turn it off and then leave it for 5 minutes and then turn it back on. You'll be good to go. Well, imagine if you can turn this into a habit by turning off your device for 5 minutes at least every week. This would prevent any system errors from popping up out of nowhere and gives your iPhone a break to prioritize the most important tasks. Also, God forbid, if some type of spyware or virus is on your phone, rebooting might also help your device to clean up some of those spyware. Also, some users claim that while charging your iPhone, if you turn off your device and then turn back on, it helps to show a better and the most accurate percentage of the battery level. You can also try this yourself on your device and see if your battery percentage jumps few percentages, because the number that is being shown, that is being displayed on your screen, is usually lagging behind a bit, and rebooting might help to display the most accurate percentage. And last but not least, the third reason is clear the cache. You know how your device over the time it accumulates cache? For those of you who don't know what cache is basically caches are used to store temporary files using the hardware and software components. Especially if you've been using your iPhone a long time, if you've been using it for a couple of years, there's a good chance that you have a ton of cache taking up your space and putting pressure on your RAM. In order to check this, you can access this easily by going to the settings and then going to general and then go to iPhone storage and let it load up. Once it's loaded, you can scroll all the way down and then check your system data. Over here, if you just tap on it and open it up, it says this system data includes caches, logs, and other resources currently in the use by the system. So by rebooting this, you would actually clear up a little bit of space, a couple of gigs at least, especially if you have more than 10 gigs. It's almost guaranteed that you're going to clear up at least 2 to 3 gigs by just rebooting and leaving your phone turned off for a couple of minutes every week. But you guys get the idea. These are some of the 3 most important reasons why you should consider turning off your device every week. If you're interested, check out this video where I show you 10 new features coming to your iPhone on iOS 17.4. Peace out.